Hey guys, so today I'm working on the top panel for the center console. I used the 45 angle bit here and I took it all the way to the end. What I did here was use the bearing here to guide it right here, and then I used this piece to guide the rest so that it goes up. And then I used a little bit of Bondo. On this side I messed up, so I used some fiberglass Bondo, and then I finished it with some glaze. On this side I did a little bit better. I just messed up a little bit here, and then right here I put glaze to put the transition in together, because here, this template here that I used over here, it went straight out like this, and then here it used the bearing. So right here I used the bearing like this. And then on this side, I'm not using the bearing, I'm using this piece right here. So as I'm going towards the back, it's going out, and it's using less and less of the bit. See, so this piece is touching up against this template, and I'm using this guide to guide me instead of using the bearing. See? So next, I'm gonna give it a little bit more dimension. I gotta figure out how to give it like a small little slope on the side using this template. This is a 1. This is a 1, and this one's a 3. So I need to make some more of these, probably make them longer, and I'll put them over here, and then one in the back, and then I'll use another one like this or this way, and I'll use the router to glide up over it. Instead of it being flat like this, it'll have somewhat of a slope, so it's not just straight. So I finished making the templates here. Then I made this one. I put 3 of them together, and then I traced it onto this one right here. So these two are the same, but I need them to be the same width all the way. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna use these extra ones I have here. Like that, so they're the same width. And then here I'll just cut half of it there and put the other half over here. So let me do that real quick. So here they are. I'll put them together so they're the same width all the way. This is the old piece before I put this one on. But there they are. I still gotta attach some brackets here to hold these up. And this one here is gonna slide on this one, and then this will slide on this one. Got my little test piece right here. I'll test it out on this one, see if it works. But as you can see right there, you can see a small gap, and that's the what's gonna get cut right here. If you can imagine the bit being down here, and then it's gonna cut that, so it'll have a small slope going like this. And then this one has a small slope too, but I gotta secure it, and it's gonna be straight in the back, and then I might cut off like about that much. So we'll see how this turns out. I got it all set up right here now. So this piece is gonna slide on here, and the router is gonna slide up on here. And then I got my test piece here on top of my actual piece. So that's gonna slide on there. It's already making some contact with it. And then I'm just gonna go back and forth, see how this goes. So as you can see, you're getting that slope going down here, following this slope. You can kind of see the slope starting going down this way and then going down that way. And I'm gonna have to do some sanding here too, or hit it more with the router, but because it's got a slope going this way and one going front and back. But it's just a little test piece, and it looks a little off. Looks a little deeper here than this one, but it's also off. So maybe if I routed it straight, since it's going up higher, it might be less up here. But and that's the way it's looking. I think I'm just gonna go ahead and hit it on the actual piece. See how it turns out. Here's the piece already cut up. I messed up a little bit here. I sanded it down a little bit, but I'll just put some Bondo here to smooth it out. Right here, I'm gonna make something else. I was gonna start from here up like this. That's why I ended it here on both sides. But now you can kind of see the little slope it has from the middle towards the edge. And then also has it going down Alright guys, so it's been a while since I posted the last video, but I've been working on this here. This is where the speaker's gonna go on top of the center console. So what I'm working on right now is I'm gonna stick these two here to this piece here, and then you can tell it's not even. And right here I messed up. I used a 30 degree, I believe, bit, and these are 22 degrees. So what I'm gonna be doing is glue them together, and then I'll be using some fiberglass putty to fill these gaps in, and then I'll sand them in and make it look smooth. So this is what I'm going for on this side. Oh, well, actually pretty much both sides. So that's how thick it's gonna look. On top of the center console. And so this piece is gonna go behind here. This piece comes off. I'm probably gonna add some magnets here. And then I'm also gonna 3D router this one, so it has like a little curve going like this. I might go up or side to side. I'm not sure yet. So it'll look something like that with a mesh grill. Yeah. Just a little preview. All this will get fiberglass on it, and then this here too, and then here. I'm not sure if I'm gonna bring it in like this. So there it is. Still gotta add the bondo and the mesh and all that, but that's all I have for today. I know there's a lot, probably like some parts missing where I did another edge here, and I did another level up of the curve from side to side. But I just been busy with work, but that's all I have for today. Hope you guys liked the video.